Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to remove Zscaler from your computer. Now, there are several methods in order to uninstall the Zscaler. The first one, for example, is to open your control panel, then go to Programs, then go to Programs and Features. Then you'll have to search for Zscaler here, right-click on it, then click on Uninstall. This is the first method. The second method is to simply navigate to this folder. Go to your Windows, whatever Windows you are using, then Program Files x86. Then you will need to search for a folder called Zscaler. Then go to ZS installer folder like so. And here you will have this application uninstall. Just click on uninstall, double click on this application, and you will be prompted to the process of uninstallment. You will just have to provide the uninstall password. And similarly with Mac, you need to go to your files and you need to go to your folders. When you scroll down in all of your application section, as you can see right here, when you are in your files application, you will scroll down till you find here Zscaler. You will press Zscaler and right here you see uninstall application. Just press the uninstall application and you will be prompted to the process of uninstallment, just like on your Windows. You just have to provide the uninstall password, and that is it. Zscaler will be removed. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and see you in a new video.